us go ahead and read this question. ABCD is a kite. So we can refer to the figure given here and we can see that the diagonals of the kite ABCD intersect at point X. So before we start with the question, we'll see few points about kite. Its first property is that it has two pairs of equal adjacent sides, which we can say in the figure are CD and AD. These are the equal sides, and the other pair is BC and AB. Its second property is its diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. And the longer diagonal bisect the smaller diagonal. So AC is equals to XC is equals to AX, and the two triangles that we get here, which is BCD and ABD, they are congruent. So triangle BCD, BAD, these are congruent. BD is a common side and BC is equal to AB. DC is equals to DA, and by SSS property, side property, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So now we have understood few properties of a kite. Let's see what is the question asking. It's given that the diagonals AC and BD intersect at X. AC is 12 centimeter. As AC is given as 12 centimeter, I can say that the length XC is AC by 2, that is 6 centimeter. Now, we are also given the diagonal BD and its length is 20 centimeter. And the ratio of the lengths DX and XB is 3:2. With that information, we can find both of these lengths, but let's first read this given question. We need to find the angle ABC, this angle. So to find this angle, I'm going to assume that the angle XBC is theta. If we can find theta, then after multiplying this by 2, we will be able to find angle ABC. Because the two triangles were congruent, so we can say that these two angles are equal. Now, to find this angle theta, if we can figure out the lengths XB and XC, which we have already figured out, we can find theta. And XC we can find using the given ratio of the lengths DX and XB. We can say that the length XB is equals to 2 divided by the sum of the ratio, that is 3 plus 2. We are writing 2 in the denominator because the ratio part of these two lengths for XB, it is 2. So we can say that 2 by 3 plus 2 times the total length, which is 20 for BD. So here we are going to get 2 by 5 times 20, 2 by 5 times 4. So we are going to get XB as 8 centimeter. Now moving on to the next part of the question, where we need to now find the angle theta. In triangle BXC, tan theta can be written as XC by XB, and theta is tan inverse of these two lengths, where XC is 6 divided by 8 centimeter. So here we can figure out this angle, which comes out as 36.87 degrees. And since we know angle ABC is equals to 2 times theta, so 2 times 36.87 degrees will give us 73.73 degree. We have solved the first part of the question. Moving on to the second part of the question, we need to find the area of this given kite. This is part A. In part B, area of the kite is given as half times the product of its diagonal lengths. So which is very easy to find now, as we already know what the lengths of diagonals are. 1 by 2 times 12 times 20, as 12 is the length of AC and 20 is the length of BD. So here we can see that we'll be getting 120 centimeters square as the area of the given diagonal. Thank you.